yard. Don't know. Oh. Oh, what did I eat that you?
With another simple one. Today we're going to be doing some pasta, or we're going to be using buckwheat pasta. You know, not a lot of people know about buckwheat, but buckwheat is a special one. It's gluten-free, you know. So we're going to be using that for today, and you see how I whip it up. Check out the ingredients. Okay, this is it. This sauce, I cannot reveal the ingredients yet. It's a special sauce of mine. I've been told it's quite good. I could sell it, so I'm not gonna reveal the ingredients yet. To be continued on that one. So we have buckwheat. I'm gonna be using like 2 bags. They're really small. So we got buckwheat. They're gluten-free. So we have some coconut oil. I'm gonna be using just 1 pepper, sweet pepper. I got some lime juice, or you can use lemon juice. We have a onion. You know how I do my special thing in this container. This is our sea moss. We got spring onion. We got basil, ground coriander. We got onion powder, cayenne pepper, sea salt, oregano, parsley, thyme, and some ground cumin, ground masala. Okay, we have our onion and our spring onion there, just sauteing. I put some walnut oil, just a little bit, just to saute that for a minute. Our buckwheat is there. It'll be boiling up soon. This don't take long to do. It's about 5 to 8 minutes max. It's very quick. You don't even cook it for long. Okay, so I'll just add some sea moss. Just gonna add a bit of lemon juice. A little bit. Lemon juice kind of take away that fishy smell from the sea moss. You see, so creamy there. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add my special sauce. Okay, so we have that bubbling away. So you always keep an eye on this. Like I said, it is quick, very quick to cook. So keep an eye on that. So what I'm gonna do is add all the seasoning to this here and just let it simmer down for a bit. Okay, we're bubbling away. You need to be in here to have this smell, man. This smell is wow, crazy. You need to try this out. Alright, so we leave our coconut oil to last. We don't want to have too much heat on it. So we just have 1 big spoon in there. Get that to melt. And that's that. That's it. We're done there. That's it there, we finish. Share some out. That's it there. We're done. Delicious, mate. I'm telling you, try that. Try it out.